Welcome back to the channel, and in this video me and my friends head back to Bell Island. So this is Stay at Home Year 2020 and Bell Island Part 2. So currently it's 6:27 a.m. and we gotta be down to the ferry by 9:30. So let's get right into it. So me and Newman, we're close to the halfway point. A few of the bags are gone up ahead, but hopefully we get there in time. We gotta be to the ferry at 9:30, and hopefully we catch the new one, because the past couple of times we went to Bell Island, we had to use the old ferry. So this time around we want to be there extra early and to not miss the 8 o'clock ferry, and we got down there around 7 o'clock. So by the time we got down there we were a few minutes late to the first ferry and we missed it. Well, I think we just missed the ferry by a little bit. It'll be back soon, hopefully. Usually there's a new ferry coming back here every hour, so we'll probably have to wait for a little bit, but hopefully we get the next one. After that we kind of just sat on the port for a little while and hung out, and then finally got on the ferry. We made it, boys. Pretty good mopping. Pretty good mopping. That was after. We made it. Alright guys, we made it to Bell Island. Pretty nice in my opinion. Yeah, a little bit of hike up. I think we're going to Grieves next, boys. I might be able to fly the drone, but chances are I'll probably have to fly it at the lighthouse later on. So after we hung out on the island for a little bit, we had to go back to Grieves Nest, and things are a lot different this year because a week after, I don't think I told you guys this, but a week after we went there last year, all the rocks collapsed. Luckily we weren't there when it happened, but a lot of things have changed. Boys, we've reached Grieves Nest once again. So much rocks fell, like holy shit.
The chances of that falling on us are like very slim.
It's really different. I can't remember what it looked like before, but all these rocks. And over there, I think they were doing mining.
The current's down.
Holy shit.
The current's down.
Pretty good in my opinion. This is actually so
That's where we were
different.
last year, guys. Over in that tunnel over there. Remember?
Holy shit. It looks completely different, bro.
It's gonna be way easier
oh wait,
to access now.
I think we went around.
This is like completely fine now. There's no rocks.
Yeah.
It's actually way safer now.
Yeah.
It's really funny. Wow.
It's pretty good in my opinion.
Dude, you wanna go around the point?
No, Liam, I'm saying it's way safer.
Does anyone wanna go after? Do you wanna go around the point with me over there?
I might take a look. It's like really damn slippery. This may sound stupid again, same as last year, but we wanted to do some more exploring of the mines, and this year we got a little bit closer and it was a lot more sketchier this time. I feel really damn stupid for doing this. Boys, I do not know if I should go in.
It's cool, but
Oh yeah.
this is not something I like.
This is really damn sketchy. Caves in there. The rest of the boys are over there. I'm sketched. You've never been around this spot? I almost just slipped, boys. I'm probably gonna head back. I'm getting like super damn sketched out. Guys, where's Ethan and Aiden? Alright, Ethan and Aiden are like over there still. Alright, I'm heading back. After we went for a swim at Grieves Nest, most of us were exhausted from the heat. So we didn't get to explore the north side of the island, but hopefully one day in the future we will be back. See you later, Grieves Nest. Until next time. Alright guys, we're at a very similar spot to last year. This is probably going to be the end of, I guess you can call it a vlog. And we're probably just going to hang out around here, wait for the new ferry to come and pick us up pretty much. And then head home, take a nap. This is the end of Bell Island 2, and hopefully you guys enjoyed. See you in the next one.